West Mugrango Steve Mogaka nigo abagakuru gusaba gutyase serikali ko bekemero bilemekiranu nabo igo kweneke bana kisemi ngo bakire cyabusa asokwa aborkiwa bange amabaga yo kwenyorera kisemi nonya naboni gabagakomochia umurobiri omujyabo kubwatuka kibesa gutya asaborkyo bich college nabo igo chi university asabule serikali koligia obosemia nabo igo gokora amonchirelyo.
Will be urging the CS that even before we deal with the implementation of this model, we must capacitate the constituency bursary or education committees to be the center where applicants will be assisted to put the correct data that will put them in their correct band. And I don't know why we are still banding people using a module that is not fully participatory. If I were the advisor of those who tell government how to fund education, this country is old enough to afford free education for every child, so that every child gets out qualified, start working and start paying taxes to their universities and colleges they have been admitted to. And if they get any challenges, chukua namba yangu ya simu kama mjumbe wenu na managers wangu wote, piga simu, tutakuja huko to deal na hali yenu. On the consolidation of the multiplicity of bursaries that are being distributed at every point, this is a very important point to discuss. If the ultimate decision is to consolidate all that money, remit it to all our institutions, so that every Kenyan child goes to school, goes to colleges and universities on full scholarship and very little higher education loan if we must give. So that the more children we roll into the job market, the more tax base we are creating for this republic, as long as this is exclusively for Kenyans, because this is what happens in the Western countries. Children of Western countries don't pay fees.